Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have the document open, so start by saving a backup copy. That protects your work. Next, change the view to print layout. This shows true page boundaries, and enable show/hide to see hidden paragraph marks and section breaks. Once done, scan the document from the top to spot unnatural breaks or extra paragraphs that affect page count. Make sure to remove any unwanted manual page breaks now, because they influence all later steps when you adjust pagination. Now you'll control how content fits on each page. Modify page setup. Change margins, orientation, and paper size to make room. Small margin tweaks can shift text and reduce pages. Insert page breaks where you want new pages, and use section breaks when layout changes are required. Also adjust paragraph spacing and enable keep with next or widow/orphan control to avoid single lines stranded at top or bottom. These settings change the flow predictably, so you get consistent, tidy pages. Finish by updating headers, footers, and page numbers, especially after inserting section breaks, because numbering can reset unexpectedly. Then preview using Print Preview and export to PDF to lock in pagination. That reveals final, print-ready arrangement. If the page count still looks off, check for hidden page or section breaks and inconsistent styles. One key troubleshooting tip: when spacing behaves oddly, clear direct formatting on problem paragraphs, or copy text into a clean document to isolate and fix stubborn layout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.